Hello everyone, welcome back to YouTube channel MJ Manjari. CBSE has released latest update on SAFAL, which is a structured assessment for analyzing learning KSA 25-26 in pen and paper mode. Now let's see in detail. So CBSE has released this circular on 2nd December 2025 with subject SAFAL KSA 25-26 in pen and paper mode. CBSE has already conducted digital mode assessment. Now they are going for pen and paper mode. Now for pen and paper mode, they need to do some activities. So first one is pre-assessment activity, means before assessment what all things school need to do. So first they need to install OBRIC app after 5 December. So this will not be available now. You can download after 5th December, which will be available on CBSE SAFAL portal, and this is the website. Then you need to download and print personalized OMR sheet for subject being assessed. That you need to do it one day before. Just imagine if that assessment is on 8th December. So you need to download the OMR sheet, personalized OMR sheet on 7th December only. One day before only it will be available. Then third thing, you need to download and print question paper which will be available on the same day. So OMR you will be getting on 7th December. And question paper you will get on 8th December, and you need to download and take the printout of both. Then in second, you need to conduct the assessment, means you supply the question paper and OMR sheet to all the students according to the subject, then conduct the assessment. After assessment, again you need to download and install SAFAL OBRIC Android app. Again it is available on SAFAL website, which is cbsesafal.in. Then scan of OMR sheet and uploading on SAFAL OBRIC Android app when on the day of assessment. So using that app, you need to scan all the OMR sheet and upload it on SAFAL app, and end of exam on SAFAL OBRIC Android app. So with this, exam will get over. Next, school need to follow few more points while conducting the assessment. Like first thing, it's a diagnostic assessment which aim to assess the achievement of competency by learner. It's not a competition or not a qualifying exam. Main purpose is to diagnose the area where more effort are required for quality teaching learning in a school. Then as SAFAL is a competency based assessment, no extra class or specific preparation is needed. Classroom teaching is enough. Only a school level competency report will be given to all participating school. School will be able to see only their own report without comparison with any other school. Next, a school level report of SAFAL assessment will not be made public and will not be shared with any other school. Then SAFAL is a tool for assessment of teaching learning practices at school and should be taken with that spirit only. Then it is a responsibility of a school to ensure that SAFAL assessment is conducted with sincerity and integrity. It is highlighted that technical footprint will be on record during administration of assessment and data scrutiny. Next, let us see the schedule for pen and paper mode. So pen and paper mode schedule is this. First, for grade 8, which is for students who are in currently 9th class. The science assessment will take place on 8th December, language on 9th, mathematics on 10th December. They don't have any buffer day like for digital one. Then grade 5, EVS will be conducted on 11th December, language on 15th December, and mathematics on 16th December. Then lastly, combined buffer day they have given for both 8th and 5th on 17th and 18th December. That's all for today's video. If this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like and subscribe the channel and share it with your friends. We'll meet in another video with some more interesting information for you. Till then, goodbye, keep learning.